Welcome back to the Famous Room channel. 90 Day Fiance before the 90 Days celeb Geoffrey Paschel has made it known that he's not a fan of his co-star Big Ed Brown. Previously, he called the San Diego photographer out for being on the show for the wrong reason. Now he's saying that the fame has gotten to Big Ed. In other news, Geoffrey touches base on his relationship with Varya and what will happen on his own self-made tell-all. It's no secret that Geoffrey Paschel doesn't think that highly of his castmate Ed Brown. In fact, he referred to him as a disgusting human being during one of his live streams. He says his negative opinion of Ed stems from his treatment of Rose Marie Vega on 90 Day Fiance, but in a recent interview, he elaborated more on the entire cast's feeling about the man. According to Geoffrey, he says that the rest of this season's Before the 90 Days cast is close, but not with Ed Brown. He thinks that the 90 Day Fiance fame has really gotten to him. Geoffrey thinks that this is something he has wanted all his life. He says that Ed's head blew up from all of the attention. Not only that, but he agreed with the interviewer Dominic Nettie that Big Ed is a bit of a douche. In the latest episode of 90 Day Fiance, Geoffrey Paschel and Varya took a hike to a special wishing well. There they both wrote down their wishes and Geoffrey got down on one knee to propose after some very unsubtle hints from Varya. Of course she said yes this time, and she exclaimed their wishes were the same. Geoffrey said in an interview that he and Varya did actually write down the same thing, but the woman did hers in Russian. Also, he revealed that he hasn't seen Varya in person since the end of 90 Day Fiance filming. Geoffrey joked about only seeing her via her livestream videos, but wouldn't say he has spoken to her since. Fans have to wait until his tell-all to know about that. Plus, he says that Mary will always be a part of his life despite Varya. Geoffrey wasn't allowed at the tell-all, so he's having his own. He says it'll happen sometime in the next 2 weeks on his YouTube channel and will answer all of the questions you have about him, Varya, and even Mary. That's it for now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to stay tuned.